video. Today we're going to be unboxing a mystery. A mystery in this box. I wonder why it is. Well, shall we open it?
Let's get to opening it.
Use it.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's see what's inside, I think.
Okay.
Unboxing, guys. Yeah.
Pass me that a minute, Lol.
No, I know. I just slipped it.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Careful.
Oh, happy? Not yet. I'm gonna put them all in one place. I wonder what this one is. Ah, it's about to roll away. A kitty and a fidget. Some puppets, stretchies. I wonder what this is. I don't know. Yeah. And some more kitties. Well, let's choose. I will pick this. I'll pick this. Squishy.
Yeah, do you want me to open packets for you?
No thanks. I opened it.
I'll have
Oh my God!
One, sure.
Wow! Okay, let's line them all up, shall we? Wow!
It's so jiggly. Thank you.
Look at that.
It's a helicopter.
Hey guys, look, it's an actual puppet.
These are so cool.
Wait, guys, listen. Guys. Hey, guys.
Wait, I think for it.
Guys. Hey, guys. Watch this. An helicopter. Can you hear it?
Cool, Auntie Heidi. What's this?
Kitty. Cat.
That was nice.
Can I please, Heidi, can I please use that one?
So, what are you meant to do with
You
these?
can use.
Mess around with them.
Yeah.
Just, like squish them.
Oh. I'm gonna try this strawberry.
Yeah. Not going to Oh, yeah.
It's so cute. I'm gonna try this.
Wait, I'm gonna wow. Massage the belly. Oh, yeah.
Look at the size of the
Whoa. I'm so cold.
Well, guys, I'm gonna wrapper. I'm gonna open this one.
Strawberry. Tiny things.
I'm gonna That's some. Wow, you open it from here.
Wait, what's this?
It's a ball.
It's a ball. I know.
Oh my God!
And then you swap places. These are weird. Wait, what are you meant to do? So, what you basically do is, so I'm pushed in right. Push that one into the speed stuff that's in.
Look, let's line them up.
Right into there.
Hey guys, look. It stays soft.
Oh yeah, so you move them around. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, I get it now. Yeah. Oh, put this in. Oh, I love this. Try this, the puppet.
Hey, this is a puppet as well. Can you get
It's not really making any puppet sound. Oh, when it goes the other way, it makes some really deep puppet sounds.
Hey, Codey, watch this.
Oh, it's so sad.
Codey.
I'm here in the south.
Hey, guys, look at this.
That can stay there.
Hey, someone.
I'm getting this good.
Me too. Me too.
Ooh, got myself a little. What's that, Heidi?
It's
So you just push it in and out?
yeah.
Pop it.
You can have that.
What's that? Pop it.
I will have all these kitties. Lois, wait,
What's the point?
Lois? Okay, you can have the yellow one.
See the
Wait,
point
I'll
in
have the old man.
this? What's this for?
It's not an old man, it's a kitty.
This is sus. So what you meant to do, Cody? You're meant to move the balls around and
I'm good.
smash the
Wait,
balls.
I need a coin.
This is weird, I don't understand it. This is... Oh, I get it. This is awesome.
Oh no, I'll pop this out away. I'll go and get it. Oh, it won't on the computer. This puppy. This wiggly worm puppy. Hey guys. What's this?
a worm? Copy, that's just a worm.
Hey, Codey. Listen to this.
Hey. So satisfying.
No, Codey.
Yeah.
Codey.
Oh, Cody, oh, Cody. Oh, it's a gun. Oh. See?
Codey. Hey guys, look. Let's line them all up. Codey, listen to this.
Nice. What can you make of this?
Ooh, yeah. A weird thing will begin. I'm gonna make a beatbox.
Heidi, can I please have one of those stringy things?
I need to make some more. Wait a minute.
What this
This one's very soft and jiggly, but it makes satisfying noises. Cameron, can I have that for a minute?
Yeah. What are you doing, Heidi?
I'm making and sorting these half that minute. No thanks. And so,
What?
I'm sorting this out.
I mean, you're sorting them out. Yeah. So you just push this in and out.
Yeah, hey guys. Hey, Cameron, listen to this. No.
See the coins and pockets? I know. That's to just satisfy the pop. And they help your Heidi's got a moustache.
No.
That's
No.
her own moustache. No, it looks like she's eating noodles. Yeah?
No.
Oh,
No.
Are you a cat? Are those whiskers?
Yeah.
Fake
No.
noodles?
Yum, yum, yum. I'm happy.
Oh, there's black cats. Grey cats. Thank you, noodles! Bruh.
Cameron? What? Can I see? What is it?
Did you see that? When I wrapped it around my finger, it unwrapped. It's very amazing.
Guys, look. Guys, look. It's satisfying.
Cody.
Guys, look.
He's fat. Little fat cat. What's this? Whoa. Whoa! It was ringed. Fat cat. This one's cool. He's so fat. Wait.
Whoa. The heck?
Wait. Bruh. Tie him up. Finger tie him up. Fat cat in rope. Tie
Hey,
him
look.
in
Look how fast I can pop this pocket.
Fat cats.
Hey, guys. Look at this. Now.
Why are you switching cats?
Because and watch this, guys.
They stick together?
Yes. Let's try and stick them on the wall.
No. Look, fail.
The cats do not want to be on the wall.
He's tied up. Oh, he was untied. This thing, I don't see the measurements. I don't see the cat. It doesn't feel nice. You're basically just poking your fingers out air. There's no point. I don't know why people have these.
Can I please have try?
Sure.
Thank you.
I know what to do.
Cameron!
Chubby one. I will spare you. I'm Stubby. I'm Stubby.
Hey guys, I'm gonna make a tune.
And I'm gonna make a really stubby cat. Yeah, it's sussy. No, it's not sussy. It's a stubby cat. Sussy. Ugh.
Yeah.
Cat, look at this.
Heidi, squishy. I'm gonna get a tears up.
Oh, I thought his face was that weird. This is so. The fat cats have been merged together.
I'm gonna make something with this wheel.
I'm in luck. Big fat cats are being merged.
Oh, now I know what you do. You want to do this?
I'm merging all the fat cats. These cats are weird. I'm gonna merge them.
Hey Teddy, can I please have a try?
Why would you want to merge a cat?
Can I please have a try?
I'm
Whoa!
gonna create a double cat.
Whoa! Wow!
Tie them
You
up.
can't even see it. It's so small.
They're being tied up together.
So, the mixture of sensory toys, what you scored on, Heidi?
Puppet.
Yeah, Poppet, you scored the Poppet. Is that your favourite?
Yeah.
What's your favourite, Lo?
No, wait. My favorite. They were always so jiggly.
So
I
fun.
love them. That's one of my favourite and also my favourite too. I don't want to make more than puppets. Lame.
These are amazing. This is my favourite. It's just one of the. It's just a fantastic puzzle.
Wait, I can do something with these.
I like this, and these, this, and the puppets. I don't know why the puppets are really satisfying. I'm gonna merge more cats. Whoa! I merged. That's like day cat and bed cat. Yeah, that was a bit. Oh no. Wait, I want that. I'm gonna put it in. No, don't do that. That's why. What happened to this cat? It's Marie's fish hook!
Oh yeah.
I'm creating Marie's fish hook. You're still not a dummy god.
Hey guys, look at this.
Chicken. Before Marie turned into an eagle, there's already a chicken in. There's no point in having a second.
Oh.
Because
I'll turn it to the.
Yeah. You're welcome.
I know what I can turn into. Fat cat. Fat cat and fat cat. The Pokemon. Heidi, chill out. Fat cat. You're welcome. Not cat rat. What's cat rat? Okay, guys. I think it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Mustache.
Wait, satisfying.
Let me have But I'm close to finishing.